How to delete Reddit history on website. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, go to any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and after that on the search bar just search for reddit.com. You just search for Reddit and tap on the very first option that pops up, and this is the official website of the Reddit application. After that, make sure that you log into your account. If you have not, you can just log in. You can use your continue with Google option as well, or you can also tap on email or username and mention your password. If you want to continue with Google, you can just tap on continue with Google and select on the account that you want to continue with. So now that you have logged into your account, let's turn it to the desktop side. So after turning to your desktop side, what you can do is you can see different options over here. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Then what you can do is just scroll, or you can just directly go to your account over here or your profile, and then tap on settings. Then you'll be able to see different options available for you over here. Now tap on profile and let's check for history in the privacy section over here. And here you can see the option of clear history at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on the clear history, tap on clear. And you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.